Good morning, class. I think this is a very awesome way for us to teach writing while Miss Buckle is working in small group. Please remember that if you do have any issues, please do not come up to me. Please try to problem solve. So what we are working in writing this week, as well as singular and plural nouns, is compound sentences. So what a compound sentence is if you look right up here, a simple sentence is, I rode my bike to Dan's house. Another simple sentence might be, we rode to the park. So now we have these two simple sentences, and we can take a compound sentence, so that way we can connect these two sentences up here. So for example, you would say, I rode my bike to Dan's house, and we rode to the park. All right. So in order for it to be a compound sentences, these are the words that we connect with compound sentences. So for example, it would be and. And is when you connect two sentences that just kind of gel together. For example, I rode to my bike to Dan's house, and we also rode to the park. We are doing both. The word but is very commonly used in this class is, for example, I was pushing that person on that tire swing, but they asked me to. It's kind of giving you an option of, yes, I was, but there is a reason behind it. But is usually used when you want to argue something as well. Or is you would say, I rode my bike to Dan's house, or we rode to the park. So that's saying we did one of them, we did not. Let me say that again. We did not do both. All right. So if you are like Ms. Buckle, I am so a little confused. You are welcome to take this video and back it and listen to me say that exactly the same. All right. So we have a sentence right here. I rode to the store up a hill. It was not easy. So here is two simple sentences, and we are going to use these but or ors to put them together. So this is when I would say, I rode to the store up a hill, but it was not easy. Or you would say, I rode to the store up a hill, or it was not easy. Which one would make more sense? Let me give you about 10 seconds to try to say it in your head before I type it up. Three, two, one. So I'm going to say it is, I rode to the store up a hill, comma, but it was not easy. I'm saying I did this, but it wasn't the easiest thing to do. I wouldn't highly recommend riding your bike. All right, so we have one more sentences we're going to try. Again, you can use and, but, or. My sister was told she could walk to school. She can walk to the park. Huh. Am I going to use or but? And give you, again, 10 seconds to try to think which one would make more sense. Three, two, one. All right, let's try it. My sister was told she could walk to school, or she can walk to the park. So again, this is saying, she could either go to the school or go to the park. She can choose one. She's not choosing both. If she could choose both, that would use the word and. All right, so hopefully you're not too confused, because Ms. Buckle will go over it very briefly after my small group is done. So what I want you to do is I have a worksheet that says compound sentences that is in the middle or on top of the Chrome cart. With it, I want you to grab it when you're done with this video, And on numbers 1 through 5, I want you to write either if it's an S for a simple sentence or a C for a compound sentence. For numbers 6 through 8, you are going to choose, just like we did, whether or not you're going to write but, or and. Again, I'm not going to worry about the commas because I haven't quite taught you that yet, but I want you to rewrite this sentence using that but, and, or. Right? If you do not have any questions, I would say grab that paper. If you are still a little confused, you are welcome to listen to this video again to try to kind of think again, I do it until you figure it out. That doesn't make sense, does it? See, even on these videos, Miss Buckles messes up. I would recommend re-watching this video if you're still confused. If not, you may grab that paper on top of the Chrome card. Now, I am doing this video on Sunday, so if there is no Chrome card at the middle of the table for you to grab it from, it will definitely be on the floor or near where the Chrome card usually is. All right, thank you. Have a good, I was about to say have a good rest of the day, but I will see you just a moment later.